Soon after Bill Chayakli votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Yeah, man. Give me the paper, yeah, man. Me hear the earth call out me name. Protect the life, protect the flame. Me kneel and touch the holy soil. Bless me tile. The mountains speak, the river cry. Jah creation never lie. Man abuse the gift them get. Still Jah not forget. Me chant fi balance and care. Clean the air. Me see the forest lose the leaf. World in grief, but love a stronger seed. Planted indeed. Me teach the youth to love the land. Work with Jah and chant of the earth, sing loud. Lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree. Make creation free. Chant of the earth, righteous stone every creature. Jah own, respect the ground we tread. Live instead. Oh, me feel the rhythm in the rain. Wash away me pain. Thunder roll like Naya bingy drum. Better days soon come. Me dance under the open sky. Spirit high. Me hear the ancient song again. Travel through each vein. It tell me man and earth same one. Under Jah's sun. So me chant till voice done gone. Still live on. Creation sing in perfect tone. We never alone. Every wave and every breeze speak Jah peace. Oh, chant of the earth, sing loud. Lift the people, lift the crowd. Heal the ocean, heal the tree. Make creation free. Chant of the earth, righteous stone every creature. Jah own, respect the ground we tread. Live instead. Oh, 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 oh. Earth and man together stand. One divine hand, me chant till morning rise. Flow river, Grand Drive. Ay. Ganja and meditate, yeah man. Me wake beside the river flow. Hear Jah calling soft and low. Me wash me hand, me cleanse me mind. Leave the dark behind. Every ripple tell me truth. Every drop hold Jah proof. Life a circle never done. One by one, me walk through through the rain, every trial, every pain, but the river never dry. It teach me how to try. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Jah wear the crown. Me heart beat steady in the tide. Love can't hide. Me see the people thirst for peace. prepare them throne. River whisper ancient song, keep me strong. Oh Tao, flow river of light, flow free, carry your grace through me and thee. Wash away the fear and doubt, let the truth come out. Flow river of light, shine bright, heal the world tonight. Every soul that seek the way, find Jah in each day. Yeah. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Me rest me ear pan water sound, wisdom deep and profound. It tell me life a sacred chance, every breath a dance. The elder smile, the youth rejoice, nature give them voice. Me learn from the river still, to follow Jah will. Me no own the stream me see, it flow through every tree. It carries story, joy and pain, circle back again, like the tide that kiss the shore. Jah open every door, me live in balance, live in peace. Me soul release, me no fight the current flow. Me let the spirit show, from mountain top to valley deep. Jah promise keep, river sing for every land. Bless the heart, bless the hand. Hey Tao, flow river of light, flow free, carry Jah grace through me and thee. Wash away the fear and doubt, let the truth come out. Flow river of light, shine bright, heal the world tonight. Every soul that seek the way, find Jah in each day. Hey, flow river never cease, bring the world to peace. Me fade into the golden gleam, life just like a dream. River of light, carry me home, Jah make me home.
Me take one step closer today. Jah guide me way through the storm and heavy rain. Still me chant refrain. Me been through trials, me been through fight, but never lose the sight. Jah wisdom let me roll, lift me heavy load. Every scar become a sign of Jah design. Me walk with purpose strong, me sing the righteous song. Me see the people search for peace, them soul want release. Me tell them hold on tight, just soon make all things right. Faith like fire, love like rain, wash away the pain. No man can give me flame, me call Jah name. One step closer now, just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. Me see the mountain high, but me spirit fly. No obstacle too tall, just an overall. Me chant for you, me chant for truth. Bless the wisdom of the youth. Me feel the drum beat in my soul. Rasta reach the goal, every chant, every cry. Lift me high, the journey long but Jah near. No more fear. Me step by faith, not sight. Jah light my guide at night. Each breath me give thanks. No fear in the wrong. So one step closer now. Just show me how. One love, one life, one way. Me walk it every day. Me no stop, me no fall. Jah guide me through it all. So when the road get rough and wide, keep Jah inside. Every step me take through, Jah carry me through. Na Zion reggae, yeah man. Ooh, oh, before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground. Hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below. Truth begin to grow. Me see the world chase vanity, blind for Jah reality. But the roots know where them stand. Deep inside Jah hand, me feel the pulse under the clay. Tell me everything okay. Nature talk me overstand. Jah control the land. Me see the city light so bright, but none compare to Jah light. Them build the towers tall and wide, but love inside can't hide. Me prefer the humbleness, where earth and soul confess. Roots dig deep and never fade. Rasta made. Well, roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face. Jah love fill the place. Every color in the sky. Whisper Jah reply. Me chant up psalm for healing sound. Bless the holy man.
Ooh, oh,
Before the daylight come alive, me feel just spirit revive. Me plant me seed in holy ground. Hear the ancient sound. Every root reach far below. Truth begin to grow. Me see the world chase vanity, blind for your reality. But the roots know where them stand. Deep inside your hand, me feel the pulse under the clay. Tell me everything okay. Nature talk me overstand. Jah control the land. Me see the city light so bright, but none compare to Jah light. Them build the towers tall and wide, but love inside can't hide. Me prefer the humbleness, where earth and soul confess. Roots dig deep and never fade. Rasta made. Well, roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. Me feel the sunrise on me face. Jah love fill the place. Every color in the sky. Whisper Jah reply. Me chant up psalm for healing sound. Bless the holy ground. Roots connect the past to now. Show me how. Them try to cut the roots away, but Jah earth nah decay. Me see the vine grow back again. Wash away the pain. Roots of faith and love remain. Bless the sun and rain. Me stand tall in a Zion song, where I belong. Deep roots, soul true, storm and fire. Carry me higher. When the wind blow, me stay strong. Roots keep me long. From generation to generation. Same foundation. Roots of the dawn rise again. Break the chain of men. From the soil comes strength anew. Jah make all things true. Roots of the dawn, so pure, so strong. Teach me right from wrong. Stand firm in the earth below. Let Jah power flow. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. When the night come, creep again. Me call your name. Roots of the dawn forever grow. Me soul know. Yeah. Aye, aye, aye. Jah bless all the people and the world, yeah, man. Morning light break through the cloud. Jah call me name out loud. No matter how the night was long, me rise and sing me song. Me fall, me stumble, me cry, but still me try. Jah pick me up when me low, teach me love to grow. Every scar become a flame, Jah rewrite my name. No fear, no shame, me rise again. Me see the storm pass by, Jah dry me eye. The struggle shape me strong, me know where me belong. Me give thanks for every pain. It bring the rain from the seed of sorrow bloom. New life consume, yeah. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade. New world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all, every dawn begin. Me rise again. Me look on the crowd unite. Me see the future bright. Every youth hold faith, never too late. The fire in my soul make me whole. Me chant for the broken words unspoken. Me plant the hope deep in the ground. Love all around. Jah teach we how to mend till the very end. From the ashes grow, blessings overflow. Jah never leave we side. Faith be the guide. Rise again, my people rise. Lift your heart to the skies. Jah light never fade. New world soon made. Rise again, no fall. Jah love conquer all. Every dawn begin. Me rise again. So when the night return, let the fire burn. Rise again, my friend. Love never ends. Aye, aye, aye. Jah bless the people, Amara. Heart of a lion beat inside. No fear, no pride. Me hear the drum of truth start roll, echo through me soul. Me stand against Babylon wall, still me not fall. Them spread fear, them spread lies, but me see through them disguise. Jah give me strength to carry on till the morning sun. Me hear the people call for change, voices strong and strange. Me see the children dance again, wash away the pain. Heartbeat steady like a drum. Jah kingdom come. Lion heart beat strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear. Jah always near. Lion heart beat never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take, me see Jah live in me. Me walk through the shadow place, still me see Jah face. No weapon formed against me stand, protected by Jah hand. Me hold my faith when night fall. Hear Jah call, me feel the beat within the ground. Ancient holy sound, it guide me back to who me be. Spirit set me free. Lion heart no bend, no break. Love awake, courage come from deep inside. Truth can't hide. When the world turn cold and rough, Jah love enough. Yeah, him lion heart beat strong and pure. Love are the only cure. Rise above the noise and fear. Jah always near. Lion heart beat never slow. Keep the righteous flow. Every step me take, me see Jah live in me. Lion heart beat till the end. Love me defend.
Me soul roaring Zion song, forever strong. No, 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 no. Jah bless the people, you man. In the circle, gather round. Roots of the drum, shake the ground. Heartbeat rhythm, ancient tone. Garden wood, eternal stone. Every strike a sacred flame. Every beat exalt your name. From the forest, from the earth, drum proclaim the holy birth. Voices rise in harmony. Drum beat set the spirit free. Not of weapon, not of war. Drum unite the near and far. Call the people, guide them way. Roots of drum still play today. Sound eternal, sound divine. Drum a lifeline every time. Drum, drum. Dance begin, the circle wide. Drum connect them side by side. Suffer a smile, warrior sing. Roots of drum a holy thing. Through the desert, through the rain. Drum repeat the ancient strain. Generations carry strong. Drum beat right the timeless song.
Boom, boom, steady flow. Roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum eternal sign.
Every echo tell the tale. Truth of Zion must prevail. Roots unbroken, pure and true. Drum remind what people knew.
Boom, boom, steady flow. Roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum eternal sign.
Boom, boom, steady flow. Roots of drum forever grow. Beat, beat, sacred line. Roots of drum eternal sign. Roots of the drum, strong and clear. Carry the message, year to year. Never fading, never gone. Roots of drum still play on. Forever sounding loud and free. Roots of drum for unity. I smoke and meditate on the river Yama. Me look up and see Jah sign. Fire blaze, spirit divine. Thunder roll and lightning sing. Truth come with everything. Me walk through the fire unafraid. Jah shield never fade. Babylon crumble, lies fall down. Truth wear the crown. Me chant for mercy, chant for grace. See Jah light in every face. The wind carry message wide. Rasta guide. Me see the elders tell the youth, hold fast to Jah truth. No riches, fame or vanity can touch Jah family. Me stand firm on holy ground. Me spirit profound. The thunder voice me call one love for all. We in another sky. Jah light never die. One flame, one soul, one rise. Truth open all eyes. Burn away the light. Fire in the sky. Me see the people wake again. Love replace the pain. Me
feel the power, me feel the song. Justice come all along. Me chant for freedom, chant for life. End our strife. Me watch the sunrise paint the sea. Peace around me naturally. Me hold the chalice, me give thanks. Jah fill me spiritual tanks. Me see the prophecy come true. Jah live in me and you. Me no bow, me no kneel. Jah fire me shield. Me walk through the flame and call Jah name. We are under the sky. Jah light never die. One flame, one soul, one rise. Truth open all eyes. Burn away the light. Fire in the sky. So when the night come down, lift your eyes from ground. Jah flame forever high. Fire in the sky. We ain't under the sky. We ain't under the sky.
Ay, 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 ganja. And Zion reggae, yeah, man. When the morning sky turn gold, crown of light Jahan unfold. Rise up on the mountain crest, give the weary soul a rest. Every color in the sky, speak the truth that never die. Glory shining bright and new, crown of morning light break through. No more sorrow, no more chain, morning crown erase the pain. Traveler weary find his way, guided by the break of day. Shadow vanish, night is gone, crown of light still shining on. Every tear dry from the face, morning crown restore the grace. Every step a holy song, light of Jah will keep them strong. Stone of Babylon start to fall, morning crown redeem them all. River shine with golden flame, birds of Zion call Jah name. City wall no longer high, morning crown uplift the sky. Soldier lay the weapon down, rise instead fi wear the crown. Glorious fire pure and bright, crown of Jah a guiding light. Trumpet sound across the land, morning crown by Jah hand. Generation standing up, morning crown fulfill the law. From the elder to the youth, crown of light reveal the truth. No corruption, no disguise, morning crown before the eyes. Justice flow in mercy sing, morning light crown Jah King. Everlasting, bold and true, morning crown for me and you. Come again, morning crown remain the same. Light eternal never fade, by Jah power it was made. Every nation bow and see, morning crown of victory. Earth rejoicing, sky proclaim, crown of light exalt Jah name. New creation dawn so near, morning crown forever here. Shine, shine, morning flame, crown of glory, Jah name. Rise, rise, break the night, morning crown, bring the light. Glow, glow a crown of morning light, bold and true. Guide the people, carry through. Never fading, never fall. Crown of light, bless them all. Forever glowing, pure and bright. Crown of Zion, morning light. On the mountain, in the plain. Morning crown, forever real. Shine, 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 shine. Big spliff and coconut your manna. Under the rising sun me pray for better youth and brighter day. Jah light guide every soul, unity the goal. Me walk through the street, me see the pain. People tired of Babylon chain. Me chant a song for the youth, them strong. Jah lead them where them belong. Me see the roots start grow again. Love wash away the sin. Every heartbeat same time. Jah rhythm so divine. Me feel the breeze of ancient song. Remind me where we belong. No matter color, creed or place, all share Jah grace. Me plant the seed, me nurture peace, till hate and greed release. Every voice become a drum till redemption come. Roots of tomorrow grow, plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Yeah, 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 yeah. Me see the youths them stand and smile. Strength and hope for every mile. Them eyes reflect the future clear. No more pain, no fear. Me chant for justice, me chant for truth. Jah wisdom bless the youth. Me hold the torch for the next one till the healing done. Roots musician beat the drum. Better days soon come. Freedom spirit start to bloom. No more doom. Me plant the tree of love, me know. It grow where rivers flow. No system can erase the roots of Jah grace. Roots of tomorrow grow. Plant them deep and let them show. One faith, one sound, one nation. Jah love the foundation. Rise up, children of creation. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Lift your vibration. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Storm try break the ground. Remember our roots song. Deep in earth them never die. Jah keep them high. Zion reggae, yeah, man. of silver, not of gold, but of love from days of old. Upon it sit the King of peace, justice flow and war must cease. Every heart bow down and pray, throne of Zion guide the way. Throne of Zion bright and high, lift the people to the sky. No man rule but Jah alone, throne eternal, holy throne. It rests upon the mountainside, strong foundation, deep and wide. Prophets stand and angels sing, crown of glory Jah will bring. No liar, thief or wicked plan can touch the throne of righteous man. Forever firm, forever true, throne of Zion shine for you. It judge with love, it judge with care, no injustice enter there. It raise the meek, it lift the low, throne of Zion always show. Every law is carved in light, every truth is burning bright. Seat of mercy, seat of song, throne of Jah forever strong. Me dream at night, me vision clear, throne of Zion always near. It called the tribe to walk upright, to keep Jah law both day and night. It bless the elder, bless the youth, guide them forward into truth. Every step the people take, throne of Zion pathway make. When the trumpet sound on high, throne of Zion fill the sky. Every knee shall bow in love, throne of Jah from heaven above. From first to last, from now to end, throne of Zion never friend. Glory shine, no shadow fall, throne of Jah is over all. Stand tall, don't fall, throne of Zion rule them all. No king of earth, no crown of clay, Jah alone have throne fi stay. Throne of Zion bright and high, lift the people to the sky. No man rule but Jah alone, throne eternal, holy throne. From earth to heaven, root to crown, throne of Zion never down.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man is so high, man. When the thunder roll across the plain, Babylon tremble in the rain. Lightning strike the iron wall, thunder sound the righteous call. No more crown upon false head, no more system feeding dread. People gather, voices rise, thunder open blinded eyes. Soldiers march but heart is weak, thunder make the silence speak. Ancient drumming rhythm strong, carry justice all along. Chain them break with mighty roar, thunder shake the city core. Fire flash, truth reveal. wide. Zion people stand with pride, not by anger, not by sword. Thunder bring the living word, mighty sound of Jah get clear. Freedom rising everywhere, nation bow, nation sing. Thunder call for righteous king, Babylon wall fall to dust. Thunder teach them truth and trust. Roll, roll, thunder cry, shake the earth, split the sky. Fall, fall, kingdom wall, thunder sound for one and all. Thunder over Babylon, break the chain, wash away the bloody stain. Truth come down like heavy rain. Thunder call again, again. Forever roaring, mighty strong. Thunder sing Jah holy song. La 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 la.
Zion reggae, yeah man. Shine so bright it blind the night. Light of Zion, pure and right. No lamp of man, no sun can show. Like the light, Jah let it glow. It pierced the dark, it healed the blind. It lift the heart, it free the mind. Forever burning, never gone. Light of Zion, shining strong. Light of Zion, bright and true. Shine on me and shine on you. Guide the people, guide the way. Light of Jah, forever stay. It shine upon the righteous path, keep them safe from wicked wrath. It blaze the trail, it mark the road. Light of Zion, ease the load. No shadow stand, no fear remain. Light of Zion, heal the pain. It shine from root, it shine from crown. Lift the weary who are down. It glow in temple, glow in street. It light the song with holy beat. It show the truth, it show the lie. Light of Zion, never die. Every spark a promise made, every shine a prayer said. It bless the weak, it guard the strong. Light of Zion, lead along. Me see it in the morning sun, me see it when the day is done. It guide me dream, it keep me near. Light of Zion, banish fear. It wrap the world in golden flame. It call the people Jah true name. Every soul it shine upon. Light of Zion, carry on.
dance, come smoke. Yeah man. From the mountain peak, me hear the call. Lion of Zion, me stand up tall. Jah words are me shield, me nah go fall. Truth and wisdom, them conquer all. Inna the streets, where the struggle real. Babylon system not care how we feel, but Jah light shine bright, it a strong appeal. Faith inna me heart, Jah love me feel. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Them can't stop the fire where Jah ignite. Me walk through the darkness with holy light. Rasta chant loud, them can't silence the fight. Freedom for the people, we claim our right. Babylon walls tumble, them can't withstand the power of the Lion, the Almighty hand. Roots and culture strong, me nah shift the plan. Unity and love, the Rasta brand. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Jah me give thanks for the blessings received. Inna this life, me nah feel deceived. With the high grade smoke, me lungs relieved. Babylon nah stop with that, them misperceived. Rasta chant rise, them can't ignore. The Lion a roar, hear it from shore to shore. Jah power infinite, it can restore. Inna the love and light, we forever explore. Rise up youth man, the time is now. The system a crumble, them can't stop how. The Lion a lead, make Jah love show. With the herb and the rhythm, the vibes just flow. One world, one people, Jah plan divine. Herb body healer, make the soul align. Chant down Babylon, step out a line. Jah Lion in a we, make the spirit shine. Lion of Zion, roar for the youth. Stand firm and strong, defend the truth. Herb inna me pipe, meditation suit. Jah guidance make me spirit move. Light up the fire, make the Lion roar. Rasta vibes spread from shore to shore. With Jah inna me heart, me can't ignore. The call of Zion, me chant for more. Herb inna the ear, the love supreme. Rasta vision clear, it a living dream. Jah bless the journey, the vibe serene. Forever Lion strong, we keep it clean.
Ay, Zion, Raga, yeah, man. Ay, Zion, Raga, yeah, man. Ooh, blow across the desert wide. Wind of freedom, holy guide. Carry voices, lift the song. Break the chain that held too long. No one see it, still it's real. Wind of Zion, start to heal. Every whisper, every breath. Wind of life, defeat of death. Banner wave upon the hill. Why not just fulfill the will? Shout of you, cry of poor. Wind of justice, shake the door. Iron bars, them swing aside. Wind of freedom, flood the tide. Every nation, hear the sound. Wind of mercy, spread around. Da bound, 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 down, da bound, 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 da bound. Not of sword, not of fire. Wind up lift the soul higher. Gentle breeze and mighty storm. Wind of Zion, still transform. Dust of war, swept away. Wind of peace, declare the day. Tear them wall, lift the veil. Wind of truth will never fail. Sailor guide, prophet sing. Wind
and announce Jaja King. Whisper soft yet strong and clear. Wind of Zion always near. Babylon try to hold it back. Still the wind, stay on track. Flow eternal, bold and free. Wind of love for destiny. Blow, blow, mighty sound. Lift the people off the ground. Rise, rise, spirit strong. Wind of Zion, carry on. Wind of liberation, free and true. Blow the chains away from you. Never stopping, never still. Wind of Zion, guide your will. Forever flowing, high and strong. Wind of freedom, carry song.
Na na na, yeah. Deep meditation, man. Crown of Zion, bright and pure. Holy blessing that endure. It shine with fire, shine with flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown forever stay. Forever holy, strong and true. Zion crown belong to you. Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine eternal, holy light. Every jewel a holy flame. Zion crown, call your name. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion crown, all hearts seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion crown, shining strong. It guide the nation, guide the man. Zion crown, your plan. Forever glowing, pure and long. Zion crown, your song. Me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion crown, never done. It shine eternal, never fall. Zion crown for all. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you. No Babylon can dim the flame. Zion crown, call your name. It rise eternal, shine so high. Zion crown, fill the sky. Forever glowing, never cease. Zion crown, bring your peace. It crown the mountain, crown the sea. Zion crown, eternity. Eternal shining, strong and free. Zion crown, destiny. When the trumpet sound again, Zion crown still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion crown, bless us all. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion crown, show your way. Eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion crown, your song. Shine high, shine true. Zion crown for me and you. No chain, no hand can take it down. Zion crown, your crown. Zion crown, blaze so bright, Zion reggae, yeah man. Freedom rise in Zion land. Gift of Jah his mighty hand. It break the chain, it loose the tie. Zion freedom never die. No Babylon can hold me down. Zion freedom wear the crown. Forever rising, pure and true. Zion freedom carry you. Zion freedom strong and long. Every heart beat just song. Every breath a holy flame. Zion freedom praise his name. It guide the humble, lift the meek. Zion freedom all hearts seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion freedom for all. It heal the nation, heal the land. Zion freedom by Jahan. Eternal blessing, pure and wide. Zion freedom, holy tide. Me feel it blazing morning sun. Zion freedom never done. It burn the chain, it break the wall. Zion freedom for all. Forever glowing, pure and bright. Zion freedom, Jah light. It rise eternal, never cease. Zion freedom bring Jah peace. It call the children, call the man. Zion freedom, Jah plan. Forever flowing, pure and wide. Zion freedom, holy tide. No Babylon can take away. Zion freedom here we stay. It shine eternal, strong and free. Zion freedom, destiny. When the trumpet sound again, Zion freedom still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion freedom bless us all. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion freedom show Jah way. Eternal rising, pure and strong. Zion freedom Jah song. Rise high, rise free. Zion freedom eternity. No chain, no wall can keep we down. Zion freedom wear the crown. Zion freedom strong and long. Every heart beat just song. Every breath a holy flame. Zion freedom praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion freedom still carry on.
Na 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 Zion, Raga Yaman. Road to Zion, pure and wide. Jah Jah guide me every stride. It shine with truth, it shine with flame. Zion road, exalt his name. No Babylon can block the way. Zion road, here to stay. Forever holy, strong and true. Zion road, carry you. Zion road, clear and bright. Guide the soul into Jah light. Every mile a holy flame. Zion road, praise his name. Zion road, all Jah gone. Zion Road shining strong. It climbed the hill, it crossed the sea. Zion Road eternity, forever steady, pure and long. Zion Road, Jah song. Me trod it in the morning sun. Zion Road never done. It guide the people, guide the land. Zion Road by Jahan, forever shining pure and true. Zion Road carry you. No Babylon can hide the flame. Zion Road call his name. It stretch eternal, far and near. Zion Road forever clear, forever glowing, never cease. Zion Road bring Jah peace. It guide the children, guide the youth. Zion Road, Jah truth, eternal highway, strong and free. Zion Road, destiny. When the trumpets sound again, Zion Road still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion Road bless us all, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion Road show Jah way, eternal walking, pure and long. Zion Road, Jah song.